What's going on, guys? Welcome back to SneakerBot Club, where we post live comps, tutorials, and reviews. Today we have a pretty jam-packed video where I'll be covering 3 different Yeezy Supply drops. So today I'll be going over the Yeezy Slides drop, the Yeezy Foamrunners in the Ochre colorway, and last but not least, we've got the Mickey Mouse shoes, also known as the Yeezy Knit Runners. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to turn on those post notifications. I know the sneaker botting YouTube scene has been kind of dry lately, so I'm hoping to help liven it up by posting more often, so don't miss out. Alright, now let's get into the video. First up, we've got the Yeezy Slides dropping in 3 different colorways. Now, I had pretty good success on the Yeezy Supply drop before this one, so I decided to scale up my setup even more for this drop. Unfortunately, I think everybody else had the exact same idea, so it caused mostly everyone to experience capture and proxy issues, so it turned out to be a pretty rough drop. So for this drop, I was lucky enough to hit 14 pairs total during that little restock about 40 minutes into the drop. I just so happened to leave my ISP task running after everything was sold out, and it actually paid off. I ended up selling every pair for about $100 profit each, for a total net profit of right around $1,400, so this was definitely a good drop for me. Alright, on to the next one. Up next, we've got the Yeezy Foamrunners in the Ochre colorway. For this drop, I ran TRICKLE and Mek AIO that I borrowed from a friend. I realized I ran TRICKLE completely wrong on the previous drop, so I made some changes for this drop and it actually paid off. Now let's see how it went. So for this drop, I ended up copying 9 pairs total, 3 pairs with Mek and 6 pairs with TRICKLE. In the end, I sold every single pair for right around $140 profit each, which gave me a total net profit of $1,245.60. Alright, now let's get into the next drop. Up next, we've got the infamous Yeezy Knit Runners. Now, let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Is this something you'd be able to rock? For me, I know there's definitely no way I could pull them off, but I'd love to hear what you guys think. So let me know in the comments below. Alright, for this drop, I ran TRICKLE and WhatBot since I've had pretty good success with them both. I was really hoping TRICKLE would hit me a few more, but for some reason, it didn't have much success. However, Slash residential proxies on WhatBot did extremely well for this drop. Now, let's see how it went. So for this drop, I ended up copying 4 pairs total. For some reason, the tracking number on one of the pairs never updated, so I reached out to Yeezy Supply and they ended up sending me a refund for that pair. I was able to sell the remaining 3 pairs for an average profit of $300 each, with a total net profit of $909 with 27 cents. So in this video, my total net profit was right around $3,500. Not bad for just a few hours of botting, right? Alright guys, that pretty much does it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions at all, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. I'm usually pretty active for the first hour or two after uploading, so if you have a question that needs a quick answer, make sure you comment down below right away. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.